Hey guys, it's Wise from WiseTech.org here, and today I've got a mini vacuum cleaner that I'm going to probably use in this room right here. So this was really cheap. It was only around about $16 to $17 New Zealand, and I got this off one-day deals. It was a clearance item, so that is the reason why it was so cheap. Now let's get this guy open. So it comes in a relatively small package here, but all the bits and pieces seem to be inside, so that's quite good. And this looks quite light and portable. So let's get the main unit out here, and let's see what it's like. So this one it says by Craig and Russell, and it has the chamber in here, which is pretty small, but not too bad. So you can take the filter and clean it there, which is quite nice. Just pops on and off. I don't know how to open it. I think maybe pull. I have to read the manual, but all the dirt goes inside there. So it's not too large, but this is for general cleaning. It might actually be quite useful in your car as well. And I'm not complaining for $16.99. That's pretty damn good. Comes with attachments, I believe, as well. So you can put your attachments on. It charges literally via USB-C, a USB-C cable, just into the top here. So that's where it charges from. And comes with a roller brush, like normal. Then it also comes with some crevice tools right there. So it's for the crevice tools. And then it comes with the two long poles, so you can actually reach to the ground quite easily. So there we go. And let's try to see if it's turned on. Oh, that's actually not too bad at all. It's quite loud. And if you can see the suction power here, when that valve opens and closes. So let's try vacuum clean this. I'll pull this thing up here. That's not bad. Let me get some dirt from the floor and we'll try to clean it up. Okay. So we have some hair here and some just general dirt, and let's just see what happens. I just went straight in, which is awesome. I think that's pretty nice. It has a higher speed as well. So it has 2 speeds there, so you can use it on 2 speeds, and I actually think this is quite nice for $16 or 16 to 17 New Zealand. I think it's actually well worth it. Alright, let's give it a try on the floor with the multiple attachments, because I have a feeling that the suction power is going to go down. And let's try it out. Okay, so on the low mode it's not really picking up anything there. See if I can get anything here. Not really. So these ones, yeah, not too bad. Just a few bits and pieces coming up there. Okay, now let's try the high mode. Okay, it takes a little bit of effort to get the. It's actually picking up pretty well. That's not bad at all. Well, it's actually pretty useful. What the hell? Cool. I'm pretty impressed by it actually for its price. That's not bad at all. It's a pretty good product for what it is. I think it's well worth it for that price that I paid, only $16.99. And look how much it picked up. Like, it's a decent amount. That's not too bad. Like, that's quite a bit. Not bad at all. Definitely gonna use this around the car, considering it charges by USB-C, which is really good, and relatively lightweight as well. Not the best of quality and not the best for picking up pet hair, but I think it's well worth it if you can get it at the right price. So that about sums up this video. Thank you guys very much for watching. Check out wisetech.org for some more awesome content. But other than that, I hope you have an awesome day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!